Welcome to C++ Coding Ninja. Hello everyone. So today's lesson is going to be about just a review. Yeah, just a review about what we've learned so far in C++. So here we are in our normal startup page in CodeBlocks. So what you're gonna want to do is you want to include a for loop. And in that for loop, for parentheses, we want to make sure that this constantly keeps repeating. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna add for loop, except that inside the sections here, I'm not gonna add anything in. So it will repeat forever. Now add curly brackets. Now I'm gonna create a program that'll say for cout. Okay, actually we need to make a variable. It is going to be called command, like what command we have for the car, just like how I press S and then the car will start. So command, yeah, string command, cout enter your command, and then cin command. So now, if you just run the program real quick, I can type anything, except that doesn't respond, just like how in the, yeah, it just wouldn't work that well. So we need to create a few if statements. Well, actually, before you actually have the for statement, we need to create a guide, just like how I included the guide for the help statement. So type whatever guide you want, and I'll see you when I've written the guide. Okay, so there we go. We have our script written. So now now we have our for statement, for loop, enter command, cin command. Now what you want to do is you want to click if command equals h, then you want to just print out the same statement that we just wrote. Control C or Command C. Then just paste it in. If command equals S, yeah, I want to put, yeah, S, if command equals S, then wait a second, yeah, if command equals S, then cout the car has started. And you want to put endl, which I almost forgot to do. Endl And then if command equals a a cout the car has reached its max speed. And then we'll write again if command equals b, then cout the car is idle. Actually, and also what you want to do is you want to put else if. So that it will be more clear for someone to read. Else, yeah, it was else. Yeah, else if command no curly braces. Else if command equals I cout the car has stopped. And then what you want to do is you want to break out of the loop. So then after inside the loop, if you use break outside of the for a while loop, it won't work. And then just type break. And then we click out, and then we type else cout not a command. So now, if you just check out the program, oh yeah, and I forgot to put this in these quotation marks. So now, if you just run this program, S, the car started. A, the car has reached its max speed. B, the car is idle. If you just type some random stuff in, not a command. And then if you click I, the car has stopped. There you go. So that's pretty much the command. Oh, not the command, but that's pretty much the tutorial for today. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload my next video.